Breaking just now, which is going to send shockwaves across the country. Actor Sushant Rajput has committed suicide. This is what we are learning right now. Actor Sushant Rajput is no more. He was found, according to the information we have, hanging in his apartment in Mumbai.
It was a tragedy that shocked millions of Indians. Sushant Singh Rajput, a young man from Patna, was one of the most celebrated success stories of the Hindi film industry. As someone who was self-made, toiled in television and then made a transition to cinema, winning admirers and fans in large numbers. Sushant had allegedly committed suicide, and that's what the Mumbai police claimed. There were also claims that Sushant had been suffering from depression. Some even said that they had seen this coming.
To be very honest with you, I saw it coming. But when I met him for Sadak 2 about a year and a half back, he was a very disturbed boy. He was not there. While talking to me, I felt that he was not on the same plane. And I remember telling this to my brother, that my worry about this boy is that he is going the Parveen Bhabhi way. So if to ask me, while the world is very shocked about this tragic incident, I am not shocked because I saw it coming.
His death had sparked a discourse on the state of mental health in India and also the divide within the film industry between privileged sons and daughters of established actors and filmmakers and outsiders like Sushant being discriminated against by cliques and lobbies that didn't take his success too well. In fact, by the end of July, the Mumbai police had questioned almost 50 people in relation to Sushant's death. A professional rivalry angle was also being pursued. But throughout, there was uncertainty about the circumstances under which Sushant died. On July 16th, Riya Chakrabarti, Sushant's girlfriend, wrote to the Home Minister Amit Shah seeking a CBI inquiry. Sushant's family had also been searching for answers. On the 28th of July, there was a major development, and it did not happen in Mumbai, but in Patna, in Bihar, when KK Singh, Sushant's father, filed a case of abetment to suicide against Riya, members of her family and others. Riya was accused of blocking access between Sushant and his family, restraining him, overdosing him with medicines and threatening to make his medical reports public.
We have spoken to our sources in the Mumbai police and Bihar police both, and we have been confirmed that abetment to suicide case with several other sections of IPC have been registered against Riya Chakrabarti and 5 others. Now, who are these 5 people? These are relatives and family members of Riya Chakrabarti. This is what cops are confirming to us. We have also been told that Bihar police has already interrogated some of the friends and close associates of Sushant Singh in the case. So today afternoon, Bihar police officially met Mumbai police for the first time. And if you talk about the investigation of Bihar police, now Bihar police has to say that they have several evidences, allegedly they have several evidences against Riya Chakrabarti, that they have certain financial transactions of Riya Chakrabarti with them, which prove that Riya has used credit cards and bank accounts, money from the bank accounts of Sushant Singh in the past. So this is what at a very initial level Bihar police and Mumbai police both are confirming to us.
On the 30th of July, Times Now revealed that the Enforcement Directorate was seeking information in the matter, specifically with regards to Sushant's finances, his transactions, Riya's investments, among other things. The very next day, actor Ankita Lokhande, who had once dated Sushant when both were TV actors, spoke exclusively to Navika Kumar, raising more questions around the events leading up to Sushant's death.
जी सुशांत को मैं जानती हूँ, मैं सुशांत और हमने अपना करियर की शुरुआत साथ में की थी, पवित्र रिश्ता, हमने दोनों ने अपना करियर वहां से स्टार्ट किया था। मैंने एक ऐसा लड़का हमेशा से सुशांत को देखा था फ्रॉम डे वन। वो हमेशा अपनी चीजें बहुत ध्यान से लिखता था, उसके लिए हमेशा वो एक चीज थी कि मैं जो सोचता हूँ वो उसकी डायरी में वो चीज होती थी। तो मैंने एक ऐसा लड़का अपनी लाइफ में देखा जिसने अपने 5 साल की आगे की फ्यूचर प्लानिंग तक लिखी हुई थी। और आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर वो डायरी हमारे पास थी, और 5 साल बाद मैंने वो जब डायरी खोली थी, हम दोनों बैठे हुए थे, मैंने वो डायरी खोली, ही हैज डन एग्जैक्टली व्हाट उसने जो डायरी में लिखा हुआ, उसने लिखा था मेरा इतने इसका एफडी होगा, मैं ये फिल्म कर दूंगा, मैं पवित्र रिश्ता इतने टाइम पर छोड़ूंगा, और उसने वो एग्जैक्टली वो चीजें की थी और वो कर रहा था। जो लड़का अपनी लाइफ की इतनी इतनी अच्छे से प्लानिंग, आई एम वेरी श्योर अभी तक अगर आई एम वेरी श्योर जो भी उसके पास डायरीज होगी उसमें भी उसकी बहुत अगले 5 साल की प्लानिंग उसने अभी भी लिख रखी होगी।
तो अंकिता जी, मैं अब रिया चक्रवर्ती का जो पेटिशन है सुप्रीम कोर्ट पे, मैं उस पर आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ। वो कहती है कि फॉल्सली इम्प्लिकेटेड है और उसमें उसने काफ़ी चीज़ें अपने डिफेंस में कही हैं और उन्होंने बहुत कैटेगोरिकली कहा है कि सुशांत डिप्रेशन में था, 8 जून तक वो उनके साथ थी, उसके बाद नहीं थी। ये डिप्रेशन आई थिंक इशू वहीं से शुरू होता है। डू यू थिंक रिया इज द ओनली पर्सन हु कैन टॉक अबाउट दिस? बिकॉज हमने कल उनके जिम इंस्ट्रक्टर से भी बात की थी, सामी अहमद से, और उन्होंने कहा वो पहले, जैसे आप कह रही हैं कि पहले कभी नहीं थे, पर लास्ट 1 ईयर में थोड़ा सा उनकी परफॉर्मेंस में फर्क पड़ा था। या
सैमी जब मेरे साथ जब से सुशांत, तब से सैमी उनके साथ है, 5 साल से सैमी को मतलब अभी तक है। तो ये एक चीज है जो मुझे भी थोड़ी और लगी, मैंने भी सुना इस चीज को लेकर कि ऐसा कैसे मतलब कोई कुछ कर सकता है या कुछ कर रहा है। बट और सैमी तो ऐसा चीज है कि वो उसको तो पता होना चाहिए, बिकॉज इज अ ट्रेनर। आई थिंक उनका सबसे पहला राइट बनता है जानने का कि कुछ मेडिकेशन उनका चल रहा है या नहीं चल रहा है, क्योंकि एक रिया ही थी मैम, जो आप सच बोल, जैसे आप बोल रही हैं कि वही थी उनके साथ। तो आई थिंक ये सारे सवाल तो वही आंसर कर सकती है कि वो डिप्रेशन में थे या नहीं। क्योंकि अगर आप एक जगह आप बोलती हैं, फिर आप, उन्होंने बोला भी है कहीं कि, मैंने उनका एक वीडियो देखा दैट नो वी आर नॉट डेटिंग, उन्होंने बोला है, फिर आज वो बोल रही वो डेट कर रही। तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन है उनकी चीजों में। तो जो भी वो बोल रही है, अगर वो थी तो थी, नहीं थी तो नहीं थी, तो उनकी बातों से सिर्फ थोड़ा मतलब जानना जरूरी है कि अगर सुशांत के साथ थी और वो डिप्रेशन में थे तो क्या ऐसा रीजन था कि उनको डिप्रेशन हुआ, वही बता सकती है ये चीज, और कोई तो नहीं बता सकती।
Times now broke another major development on the 3rd of August that suggested serious laxity on the part of the Mumbai police. Sushant's family had, as early as February, red flag concerns about Sushant's well-being to the Mumbai police through a WhatsApp message that had been acknowledged. They had specifically stated that they were worried for Sushant's life. In the end, their worst fears came true.
Ladies and gentlemen, Times Now is the first channel to access the complaint that was sent to the Mumbai police. Here is the WhatsApp copy of the complaint. This is sent by a WhatsApp message by an IPS officer of Haryana Police. Now, this is brother-in-law of Sushant Singh Rajput, who sends this message to DCP Paramjeet S. Dahiya. This is DCP Paramjeet S. Dahiya, Bandra East in charge DCP, and he talks about the number of Sushant here, and it is responded. DCP Paramjeet responds to it, says, Roger sir, number of Sushant is given that the man is in danger, and he says Buddha, his DCE classmate, the Delhi College of Engineering classmate who stays with him, he'll get you all the background. The idea is that he should not be hurt for being all by himself there. This is the complaint. Here in this complaint there is Roger sir is written, and this is at 4:43 p.m.
Now look at the next line, Navika. There is a reference. Please stay on the screen. There is a reference. Buddha, his DCE classmate who
Buddha
stays with him.
Pitani.
That's right.
Buddha is
He'll
Pitani,
get you
Siddharth
the background.
Pitani.
He'll get to the background. So Siddharth Pitani, who now comes out and says that he knew very little, is the person who was supposed to have actually briefed the Mumbai police about the dire situation that Sushant Singh Rajput
and
was.
if Mumbai police had moved in time, would this have happened? Would Sushant Singh Rajput be alive today if these fears that were expressed by the family had been investigated, had been found out about? What was stopping the Mumbai police from finding out about this particular complaint that was sent?
Times Now is the only channel to have spoken on multiple occasions to Siddharth Pitani, Sushant's friend who used to stay with him. And his responses to the channel, including over claims of pages from Sushant's diary, which he updated regularly, going missing and being torn off, only created ground for more doubt. The lawyer for Sushant's family, Vikas Singh, confronted Siddharth Pitani on News Hour.
Buddha Pitani,
Hello, ma'am.
was there a diary that Sushant Singh Rajput maintained?
Ma'am, at any given point of time, the house was filled with notebooks and books. So he had n number of journals and diaries that he used to maintain.
Did he maintain a single diary where he wrote down the events of the day?
I'm sure there are some books that they were in the house, and we all taken those diaries and we have submitted to the officer that we have taken the diaries along with them.
How did the diary get collected by the Mumbai police, and who tore the pages, Siddharth Pitani? Because you were in the room. Did somebody tear the pages in front of you? The diary is with Mumbai police. Did you ever question the Mumbai police, or did the Mumbai police ever question you about the diary and the torn pages?
Ma'am, there were no, they did not tear any pages in front of me. And जो भी हमको books मिले थे, उसी time हमने उनको दिया था.
Navika, ask him, did he see the torn pages before he gave it to them? Did he see the torn pages before he gave it to them? Just ask him.
When you gave the diaries, were there any torn pages?
देखे थे डायरी में देने के पहले.
No, ma'am. I did not see any torn pages, but there were books with torn pages inside them also. There were a stack of books which we have submitted.
Books or diaries?
Diaries. Black.
So why are you calling it books?
So according to you, there were no torn pages, Mr. Pathania. According to you, there were no torn pages in the diary.
Sir, we did not open any diaries, sir. So I did not check what's written in those diaries. We just submitted according to the heading. We have seen it and we have submitted it. And the family members have taken a written receipt also that we have taken these books from the house.
Well, Mr. Pitani.
But the family members say that the pages were torn that day. The sister who came, Navika, let me just ask him. The sister who came there, she had seen the torn pages. I did not want to say all this on channel, but now that it is out in the open, she had seen the torn pages at that time when she saw the body for the first time. How is he saying that there were not torn pages? I don't understand how is Mr. Pathani saying that there
So
were no
you
torn
tore
pages.
the pages, Siddharth Pitani?
No, ma'am. I did not.
Who else came into the room? Who tore the pages?
There were some pieces of paper that I have shown it to the investigation officer. They have taken pictures of it, and it's basically a game that Sushant used to play.
Times now kept pursuing the developments in the Sushant case determinedly, bringing to its viewers details from Ria's interrogation by the Enforcement Directorate, the questions she answered and those that she did not.
Breaking news coming in right now. Intense grilling, we understand, of Ria Chakrabarti is currently underway. Priyank Tripathi has accessed the ED questionnaire. Priyank, what kind of questions is the ED going to ask today?
The Enforcement Directorate will be questioning Ria Chakrabarti and her brother, Shouvik Chakrabarti, in three parts. What we have to our sources that the first part of the questionnaire will be consisting about the personal information of the brother and sister, where the name, the father's name, permanent address, and other information will be asked. In the second phase, which will be related to the business-related information, PAN card details, DIN number, source of income, income tax return details, last 5 years income tax detail, and the companies which are owned by Ria Chakrabarti will also be asked to the brother and sister. And similar kind of questions are also expected to be asked to Shouvik, because he is also one of the directors of the company which is being owned by Ria as well as Shouvik. And Sushant was also partner, but unfortunately Sushant is no more. Their bank account detail, foreign international bank account detail will be asked. In the third part, which is most important in this aspect, the ED officials are expected to ask the question related to Sushant Singh Rajput. That how did you come in contact with Sushant Singh Rajput? What were your relationship with Sushant? And if yes, then Where did you meet him and where all you had gone? Other people of your family also used to stay in Sushant's house, and if that is so, since when your family members shifted with Sushant? Who were involved in the business activity of Sushant? If you know, then you need to tell the detail about it. Which were the movies or serials you have worked on, and how many serials and movies you have been working? And did Sushant Singh Rajput authorize you to operate his bank account detail is the most important aspect for which the Riya Chakrabarti and the Chakrabarti brother and sister will have to give a clear-cut answer. And have you ever met Sushant and what were the point views? Important questions which will be asked to Shouvik and Riya, but the most important aspect is that whether Sushant Singh Rajput made any will, whether he authorized you to use his bank account detail when you had gone for point views, because Times Now had also accessed that how Riya had used money and credit card of Sushant Singh Rajput when she had gone to abroad for the tours. Whether Sushant had authorized her or without informing him she was using the credit card of Sushant will also be one of the most important parts of this questionnaire which we have managed to access.
And that wasn't all. As we sought more details about the circumstances both before and after Sushant's death, shocking claims came to light.
पहले भी सुसाइड वाली बॉडी देखते होंगे ना, ऐसे पंखे से लटकता है कोई.
सुसाइड वाली बॉडी रहेगी ना भाई, सुसाइड वाली बॉडी रहेगी ना.
हाँ,
सुसाइड वाली बॉडी पीली नहीं पड़ती.
पीली नहीं पड़ती.
हाँ, पीली नहीं पड़ती.
अच्छा, और ये जो तुम बोल रहे हो निशान का, वो भी नहीं होता है क्या सुसाइड वाली बॉडी में?
नहीं, निशान होगा ना, निशान है ना, फांसी से लटकेगा. फांसी से जैसे लटकेगा ना, जब तक फांसी से लटकेगा ना, तो पूरा रस्सी भी रहेगी, इसकी ओंडी भी रहेगी लटकेगी. बरोबर. हम लोग को इतना मालूम है.
हाँ, तो इसमें क्या लगा तुमको?
जब उसका पैर ऐसा मुड़ा है, फांसी लेगा तो आदमी पैर कैसे मुड़ जाएगा?
पैर भी मुड़ा हुआ था.
हाँ,
तो मतलब
पैर पे निशान नहीं आएगा. पैर पे निशान कैसे आया?
पैर पे भी निशान था.
तो पैर है ना, पैर ऐसा मुड़ा हुआ था, दोनों पैर उसका.
अच्छा,
दोनों पैर है ना उसका मुड़ा हुआ था. बरोबर. ऐसा पैर वैर मारते नहीं अपन.
हाँ, जब कोई अपने को ये कहता था पैर मारते, बट उसमें तो फांसी लेने के टाइम पे भी आदमी पैर मारता ही रहेगा ना. रे
फांसी लेगा पैर तो मारेगा ना. पैर कैसा मुड़ गया उसका? तड़पेगा, बॉडी है ना तड़पेगी. फांसी लेना ना, बॉडी तड़पेगी. और फांसी लेने के बाद ना फेस बाहर आता है.
हाँ, तो इसमें नहीं आया था क्या?
फेस नहीं आया था ना भाई. फांसी लेने के टाइम फेस बाहर आता है.
तो फोटो में तो फेस दिख रहा था मेरे हिसाब से. दोस्त,
क्या
फोटो में फेस नहीं दिख रहा था क्या?
हाँ, फोटो में फेस था आपके.
नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं देखा यार.
There's more breaking news that's coming in. Sensational claim by the Sushant Singh Rajput family. His father was questioned by the CBI today, and this is the statement that Mr. KK Singh, father of Sushant Singh Rajput, who filed the FIR with Bihar police today, says. He has said that this is murder of his son Sushant Singh Rajput. So between 25th of July, when they first filed the FIR with Bihar police, to now, from abetment of suicide, now the family charges murder in this case. Priyank Tripathi joining me live.
Their statement was recorded in Faridabad by the Central Bureau of Investigation. What the family has said, that looking at the present circumstances, I'm quoting them, looking at the present circumstances, it appears that it is a case of murder. Hence, the CBI should look into this case as an aspect of murder, not to as an attempt, abetment to suicide, which was claimed earlier by the father of Sushant Singh Rajput in his statement which he gave it to Bihar police officials. So that is a big input coming out. Looking at the Times Now investigation, the family has been very minutely observing every detail which has been coming out on Times Now, and they have in fact quoted that as per the media report, as per the looking into the present circumstances, we want this case to be probed as a case of murder.
Amid an ongoing battle in the court over jurisdiction between the state governments of Maharashtra and Bihar and also the centre, since the Bihar government had transferred the case to the CBI, there were more revelations. Sushant's family had reached out to Rhea and Sushant's former manager Shruti Modi seeking information about his health as far back as November.
Today, Times Now has accessed a worried father's desperate plea to Rhea and Sushant's business manager Shruti Modi sent on November 29, 2019. He was worried about Sushant's health. He wanted to know how his son was doing. He wanted to travel to Mumbai, but Rhea and Shruti did not even care to respond to these SOS messages that Sushant's father was sending to them. The question is simple. If Rhea was indeed a well-wisher, a friend who cared, why did she not respond to the father? Why did she not keep the father informed about Sushant's health and the treatment when he asked for it specifically?
तो 3-4 दिन के इन्वेस्टिगेशन में whatever could be possible हमने कर लिया है, लेकिन हम अभी कंक्लूजन पर जंप नहीं करना चाहते हैं. It could be anything. It could be a case of suicide, apatment of suicide. It cannot be a case of suicide, I am telling you. Personally, if you ask me, it is not a case of simple suicide. There is something fishy about it, because kind of evidences are coming are enough to show, to prove that it's not a simple case of suicide.
Sushant had made elaborate plans for himself. He was a thinking man, a thinking actor, approached his films and his acting in a methodical and meticulous way, had formulated a blueprint to set up a production company. These were all details revealed in his diary that Times Now gained exclusive access to.
Today, we are going to show excerpts of Sushant's diary. What?
Sushant's personal diary.
Personal diary.
Access.
What a meticulous man. This was a man who had planned for everything, and this is his plan for 2020. It was not his plan to go away, leave this world, to be so dejected, to commit suicide in 2020. He was planning big things, Rahul.
Absolutely.
I want to show you this. He's talking about making a production house. This will be a content generator, create, and it will be creative. And he says in 2020, I'll go to Hollywood. Hollywood plan in 2020 right here. Bollywood also, he has plans of making this production house, which will be very creative. He talks about top writers will be employed. There will be experienced and very radical thinking in-house people who will work on content, on scripts. He also says there will be a startup with emergent technology. This is what he says. 3 big points. 2020 destination Bollywood, creative content, destination Hollywood, creative content, startup in emergent technology, and SSR's unshared dreams, all written down in his own writing in this paper.
The mystery around Sushant's death has only grown murkier, and there are issues of police laxity, political interference, and callous statements that have marred the investigation into the cause of this tragedy. This road to complete truth and justice in this case for now appears to be a long one, but one that Sushant's well-wishers and admirers will doggedly pursue.